Are you wanting to get out of there?
She doesn't like being still.
She doesn't like being what?
Still. You know, the cart stops, we're upset. The
Uh-huh.
car stops, we're upset. The bicycle
We don't
stops,
like
we're
being
upset.
still. Hey, you kid.
You look just right.
Cashier number 2, please.
Look at Grandpa.
My goodness. What kind of cuteness is this? Ah! She's in the cart because she's getting to be too heavy to carry her.
Please.
No, she's in the cart because she's not allowed to run around still.
Oh, I see. Okay, Mom. Here we go. We're getting stuff for Father's Day.
How's your weekend going? I can't because it's Friday.